Hi, and welcome to Camera Smash. Today I will compare two of the newest mirrorless cameras available, the Fujifilm X-H2 and the Fujifilm X-H2S. First off, the Fujifilm X-H2 has 40 megapixels and the X-H2S has 26 megapixels. Next is the shutter speed. The Fujifilm X-H2 has a max shutter speed of 1/180,000th of a second, and the X-H2S has a max shutter speed of 1/32,000th of a second. The Fujifilm X-H2 has a 680 shot battery life, and the X-H2S has a 580 shot battery life. The Fujifilm X-H2 can shoot 15 frames per second, and the X-H2S can shoot 40 frames per second. The Fujifilm X-H2 has an 8K max video resolution, and the X-H2S has a max video resolution of 6.2K, so both have very good video resolution. The Fujifilm X-H2 has pixel shift high-res mode, and the X-H2S does not. The Fujifilm X-H2 does not have a zero blackout finder, however the Fujifilm X-H2S does. So why is the Fujifilm X-H2 better than the X-H2S? It has more megapixels, it has a faster max shutter speed, better battery life, better video resolution, it has pixel shift high-res mode, and it is newer than the X-H2S. Why is the Fujifilm X-H2S better than the X-H2? It has faster continuous shooting speed, and it has a zero blackout viewfinder. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.